If you're in a relationship where you simply feel that you cannot grow, well, then that is a sign for you that maybe this relationship is not the right fertile ground where you can grow right now. And it's really important for us to learn to have boundaries, to release relationships that do not serve our highest good. If the relationship is one where both can grow, then I believe that relationship is important to stay in and to learn the lessons you came to learn. Even if it's poking you, even if it's jabbing you, even if it's showing you parts of yourself that you don't want to see, it's good. You're seeing parts of your shadow that need to be healed. Use the relationship to grow. But if the relationship has crossed over a point where it's become controlling or violent or abusive, then that relationship needs to go. It needs to be released. And the reason why most people stay in toxic, chronically abusive relationships is because they're codependent. Because they simply cannot stay and stand in their sovereign self. They are enmeshed and extremely needy to be in that dynamic, to be in that abusive relationship. So it depends on every particular relationship. Each relationship poses different challenges, but the fundamental quality that stays common to all relationships is that they are here to be a mirror to your own addiction patterns, to your emotional experience.